Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will practice maths methodology MCQs related to the topic measurement and evaluation. First one, which of the following is not the main foundation of evaluation? To provide good feedback to the students, to provide good feedback to the teachers, to provide good decision making for guiding children, to punish the students for not improving achievement. Not the main foundation of evaluation is to punish the students for not improving achievement. Next one, which of the following is not a characteristic of an ideal evaluation tool? Objectivity, difficulty in administration, validity, reliability. The answer is validity. Next one, diagnostic test is used to measure the achievement levels, identify the reasons for behavioral problems, grade the students, provide studies to the next class. Diagnostic test is used to identify the reasons for behavioral problems. Next one, according to Downick, any test that measures the attainments or accomplishments of an individual after a period of training or learning is called as achievement test. Next one, if a tool yields same scores on repeated administration, tool is said to have comprehensiveness, objectivity, reliability, usability. The answer is reliability. Next one, the basis for the construction of a unit test is blueprint, content, methods, achievements. Basis for the construction of a unit test is blueprint. Next one, an advantage of SI type test. Can be answered in a limited time. Can be asked about definitions and formulas. Possibility for testing more number of aspects. Possibility for expressing ideas. Advantage of SI type test. Possibility for expressing ideas. Next one, there are three interrelated aspects in educational process. Two of them are learning experiences and evaluation. The third one is educational objectives. Next one, same score is obtained even when 4 examiners valued the same answer script of a student. The specific characteristic of the test is objectivity. Remedial teaching as part of formative assessment means diagnosing and addressing gaps in learning. Next one, identify the correct matching. Formative evaluation, summative evaluation, focus on measurement, continuous feedback. Formative evaluation, continuous feedback. Summative evaluation, focus on measurement. A to B1. Next one, which of the following is correct? Option 1, evaluation is measurement plus decision. Next one, ability to organize ideas can be measured through type of test items. Matching multiple choices, completion, essay. The answer is option 4, essay. Next one, a test cannot serve the purpose of ability to work in a group. Next one, which of the following is carried out in terms of behavioral changes? Test, evaluation, examination, measurement. The answer is evaluation. Next one, the pupil compares finite and infinite sets. To test this, which form of question is suitable? Essay type question. Comparing finite and infinite sets requires understanding concepts, logical thinking, explanation in own words, ability to differentiate and justify. Next one, the aspects included in the blueprint of a unit test are content, objectives and form of questions. Next one, the written record which is useful to describe the events related to the behavior of an individual is questionnaire, rating scale, anecdotal record, checklist. Useful to describe the events related to the behavior of an individual is anecdotal record. Important suggestion for the preparation of completion type items is specific answer should be there. Next one, this tool provides an opportunity to indicate the degree to which a characteristic is present. Checklist, sociometry, rating scale, talent test. The answer is checklist. Next one, expand CCE. CCE, continuous comprehensive evaluation. Next one, multiple choice questions are related to this aspect in memory. Retention, recall, relearning, recognition. The answer is recognition. Next one, continuous and comprehensive evaluation mainly aims at promoting competition among children, competition among teachers, academic excellence among children, inclusive education. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation mainly aims at academic excellence among children. Next one, objective type questions are related to recall, recognition, relearning, concentrating. The answer is concentrating. Next one, the personality inventory developed by J.L. Moreno is sociometry. Next one, answer selection type question is alternative response type, fill in the blanks, analogy form, association form. Answer selection type question is alternative response type. Advantage of an essay type question, possibility of freedom of expression. Next one, the evaluation conducted during the teaching learning process is called formative evaluation.